So this is the Hand of Massiges, Main De Massiges. It's a well-preserved trench from the First World War. It's so scary to think about what these people went through. These guys used to dig underground. Go further and further underneath the battle lines and stick explosives down there and blow it all up. I think these obviously they've been recovered, but I think they are original. The actual trench from above. And now we are entering the trench. There's no health and safety here, you're on your own. See the lookouts. You really do get a feel for what these guys went through. It really does make you picture the scene. I know you can never fully comprehend what went on. This site is maintained by volunteers, and as we said, they do a really good job of it. They deserve every credit for what they do. I'll watch my dodgy knee. What's nice and cool here, German shelter. Getting narrower and narrower. So yeah, this must be the German side then. Or you can get down here. But I'm not sure I'm going to make it with my leg. Let's give it a go. Oh, wow. You can sort of imagine all the noises, all the death surrounding you. It does bring it home. Now I've got to attempt to get back up here. Wish me luck. At least if I fall, I'm on camera. Oh. Made it. Tell you what, really is cool under there. Hits you when you get back out of here. French first line. These men are going to attack. And so I know this has all been restored, so I'm not sure how much is actually original, what's been reimagined. Before the attack. The shelter, very dark there. It's a shame that some people feel the need to graffiti, unfortunately. But there you go. Don't think you can see a thing here, but so this would have been an observatory. Wow. It's very pretty now, but you can imagine what it was like back then. A very humbling experience, but it's reasonably accessible. Just be very careful if you've got mobility issues. It is a bit sketchy in places, and there's no one here to pick you up if you fall over and you might end up impaled on some barbed wire. Sleeping quarters. Or would have been hospital beds. Yeah. I'm guessing this would have been a medical area by the looks of it. Looks like those are stretchers. They will have seen some action. Doing the splits. probably because it would have been waterlogged. German cannon. Having a shave. I'm not going to try and go down there. There's no way I'd get down there and even back up. Deconstructible. So presumably as the front lines moved, that moved with them. This is the problem I have. Going up hills. So I think that concludes a little tour of La Main De Massiges. Very, very evocative place. If you get the chance to come here, you've got to do it, definitely. It's very humbling. It's very well looked after. It is a bit sketchy in places, so if you do have mobility issues, be aware. This is a super place to visit, especially if you're a history buff. Water rationing station. Railway track for supplies. There's the carriages. Bit of a dead end there. There's two different size railway tracks, depending on the supplies, presumably. Oh, a shelter with water pots. Presumably this is where I used to cook. So this must have been the kitchen. So just a footnote to say that during the wars, the trenches were covered up, as you can see in this picture, and the volunteers in the association started in 2008, so they started rebuilding the trenches, reopening them from aerial pictures from 1915. So that's how it looks in 2009, 2010, 2012 and 2014. So all the trenches are in the original positions, and also all the artifacts are in the dotted around the area are original. Yes, I presume it's just the sandbags that are not original. Yeah, all the utensils and everything they would have used, all the spades, etc. They were original. Back to the the old tigress.